Hey, Tyler.
Hey, Kevin, how's it going?
It's going all right. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
So thanks for helping us out. You know, originally we thought we might have to dip the door in chemicals to have this thing whole stripped, but we're glad we got an alternative.
Yes, sir. We're using a dustless blaster, somewhat of a new technology that we've been using.
And so what do you blast with?
There's different types of hardness of abrasives, and it ranges from a scale of 1 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
Today we'd be using a 2. It's the softest that we can use, and it's called soda.
Oh yeah, kind of like baking soda. Actually, sort of more like salt. And when the soda is done, it's gone.
It disintegrates after the job's done.
I'll let you get to work. Should I clear out?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Because it's abrasive, it's important that Tyler wear a protective suit and helmet for blasting.
So technique is not to get too close and to move quick. You don't want to stay stagnant for too long. Just make sure you get in these nooks and crannies. In the industry, you call these pits. And just make sure that we get all the paint out of there. But we also don't want to get too close to where we're going to damage the wood.
Okay, Tyler. So,
Yes, sir.
what'd you find? What do you think?
It's a neat door. Looks like they use a wood filler to make it flat, and you can see it's got some grooves and grimes into it.
Yeah. And based on what you know, just from what you've done, do you have an opinion on whether we should repaint or stain?
Me personally, I would stain it.
You would?
I wouldn't repaint it.
Nice. All right. Hot, sweaty work for you.
Hot, sweaty work.
I'm going to let
That's
you
right.
get back to it, but
All
I
right.
appreciate you helping us out.
No problem.
All right. Thanks.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.